you ever wondered why British people burn bonfires every year in order to celebrate the failure of a terror? So back in 1605, Guy Fawkes and a group of Catholic conspirators tried to blow up the UK Parliament and assassinate King James I, who himself was, of course, Protestant. They were all caught, tortured in really brutal ways, and ultimately killed. The January after King James officially recognised the plot, bringing it into law, the tradition of lighting bonfires started and spread all across England. In many ways, it can be thought of as honestly one of the best propaganda efforts of all time, and one of the most long-lasting for sure.